Nyei o. Lesson number 10, English to you Mien. Beginning with lesson number 10, we're going to start developing a script that you can use to initiate conversation after conversation with Mien speakers, and eventually attain automaticity. In other words, the ability to speak the language without having to think about every single word or phrase that you're using. In the beginning, at least with the script. And your first line is the following question. Very simple. Do you speak Mien? In Mien, that goes like this. Meih Mien waac, or Meih Mien waac saah, or Meih Mien waac haah. Nyei, nyei saah, and nyei haah all mean exactly the same thing, which can probably best be explained with the following example. Do you speak Mien? Yes or no? Question mark. Nyei, nyei saah, nyei haah all mean yes or no. Meih Mien waac, Meih Mien waac saah, Meih Mien waac haah. Do you speak Mien? Yes or no? You will.